Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Charles. Today I'm going to review this exposure DAC, the 2010S2. It's an old one. The DAC was released in 2012, so it's a beautiful piece. So I just wanted to share with you guys so you can have a quick look. I don't see a lot of reviews of exposure product on YouTube, so I just wanted to share with you guys. So let me show you around. So as you can see, we have the front panel made of aluminum. And as you can see, we have a couple of buttons that you can use to select the display, select the source. It depends on what you want to do, but definitely we have everything. We have the switch on and off. And that comes with a remote control included. And there is there is a BNC adapters included as well. And then here you can see we have the quick start manual. It's pretty simple. The top of the DAC, the cover is made of aluminum as well. This is a full chassis version. This is not a small version, but it's a full chassis. So it means it has the same size as an integrated amplifier from the brand. So that's a good thing for some people who like full chassis design, which is my case. So just to let you know, here is the back. We have the analog output. We have the BNC optical output and input as well. I'll try to get closer. You can see we have a BNC 1, 2, and 3. We have optical. We have USB. So if you want to use the DAC and connect your cable, you just have a RCA cable, no worries. You can use the adapter, the BNC adapter to connect your RCA cable. This one is, you have RC on this side and then you have the BNC on this side. You just want to plug it right here and you're good to go. It's pretty simple. So no worries, if you have a BNC, so you'll be fine. If you have RCA, you'll be fine as well. So it's pretty simple. Exposure use BNC connectors and RCA in all the lines. They have CD players, integrated amplifier, preamplifier. They use a BNC connectors and RCA cables. So no worries, if you want to use the product, you'll be fine. So here we have a quick look on the manual. Just want to show you. I try to get closer so you can see. So we have on the right the input and on the left the output. So we have the description. So the DAC, I think that I play DSD file. I never tried DSD because I don't play DSD file. I always play FLAC files or waves, not DSD. So, but check around. There is no MQA on this device, but DSD, I'm sure yes. I don't know which version, but definitely you can search online For me, I wanted something simple, a DAC that can play my music, a DAC that has a good musicality. That's one of the reasons why I wanted to go with exposure based on the build quality and musicality. Exposure is known for making good product. So this DAC is one of the good products. So it sounds really good. So here is the quick look of the DAC inside. I'm not going into details on the technical aspect. I know there was a lot of engineers on YouTube or the people who likes measurements, technical debates on why this, why that. So I'm not going into those details. So I just want to show you the inside of the DAC so you can have an idea on how things are laid out inside. The caps used by exposure, I think they use Erna. As you can see, this is, yeah, they use Erna capacitors. It's a good brand, known for making good capacitor with good improvement on the sound. The toroidal transformer is from Noratel. This little board here connect the switch on and off. As you can see, good quality. So when you buy exposure, you know that you're buying something good, good quality. Exposure make great product, great, great product. When you spend your money, you know that you are spending money on something good. And exposure is one of those companies who make good product. And the quality of the component that they select to make the product is just amazing. As you can see by yourself, everything is clean inside. Everything is clean. The engineering is just, they have done a great job. So here is the DAC. I plug the DAC. I'll show you a quick turn when you turn it on. If you want to turn on the DAC, you have to just to select right here and it will turn on. There is a message on the display and then the DAC is ready. So you can use the flat button to select your source from optical to other sources. I don't use USB, so you can use the remote control to select your input, your sources, whatever you wanna do. So there is no sleep mode on the DAC. If you wanna turn off the DAC, then you have to just switch off and that's it. If you wanna turn on, and same thing. I think it's even better. So if you're not using the DAC, just turn it off. So and then you click here, and that's it. So the DAC is a beautiful piece. It's well made. The DAC was made in the UK. Great people. Exposure is a well-known brand. If you like Rega, Name, Sugden, Creek, Craft, if you like a British philosophy when it comes to hi-fi equipment, exposure is one of them. Tony Brady is the chief designer of exposure product. Sorry. So when it comes to the sound quality, I enjoy, having the DAC around. The chip inside is a WM. It's a Wolfson WM 8742. The sound quality of this DAC is just wow, is amazing piece of DAC. Unfortunately, the DAC is now discontinued. So if you are interested, you have to shop online on the used market. You might find, you know, one online. But when it comes to sound, I'm telling you, if you like listening to jazz music, classical, gospel music with background voices, rock music, instrument, music with a lot of instruments, this DAC will just blown you away because the way the vocal, the way the quality of the timbre, everything is just wow. It's amazing. There is a space between musician. You get engaged with music. That's my personal experience. I'm not trying to do the review for. Exposure or any store. This is my personal piece, my personal experience. I just wanted, guys, to share with you my experience with this product that I have. It's a beautiful, beautiful piece. I know it's from 2012, and today the market is filled with a lot of dark. Uh, Even with today's market, if I had to make a choice, I think I will stick with the exposure DAC. Some people might complain because there is no DSD, there is no Bluetooth, there is no HDMI HARC. I'm fine with without those features. I'm honestly speaking, I like this DAC the way it is. What matters to me is music. Sitting on my couch and listening. This DAC in different configuration just blown me away. I'm telling you, it's really musical. You get engaged with music. There is a sense of emotion when you are listening to your music. There is a lot of hi-fi equipment out there. So some of equipment, when you start listening, you can feel headache or you can be tired or distracted. But I'm telling you, with the exposure, for me, I was focused. I'm telling you, I was focused. It was just conveying the music, the sense of rhythms, the musicality, the background, the details, everything was, you feel like you are in the space connected with the musician. That was just my personal experience. I highly recommend this DAC, a beautiful piece. If you came across to this DAC, just buy it. Don't ask questions, just go ahead, buy it. The quality of the DAC, as you can see by yourself, I show you the inside of the DAC. It's well made. When you buy this type of product, exposure, when you buy exposure, you are buying quality. You for sure, you are buying something that will last for many many years, and it's a good quality. I had a personal interaction with Tony Brady when I used to live in France. I had a 2010 integrated amplifier, so I wanted some guidance to solve the problems, and I reached out to Tony Brady through email. I'm telling you guys, he replied to me and provided me a clear guidance to solve the problem, and to me that was just an amazing experience to interact with the company. You can understand that there is something in the culture, something that matters to them. Customer, the connection with the customer means a lot for them. So to me, I highly recommend this DAC, even if it's old. If you find one, go ahead, buy it. But definitely, my interaction with the company, with Tony Brady himself, asking questions and having to solve the problems. To me, that was a great experience. So I have a couple of exposure product. I have I have a preamplifier, I have a monoblock. So I may do some reviews in the coming days. But definitely, guys, if you never try exposure product, I highly recommend you to try exposure product. They made very, very, very good product, musical. I'm telling you, I'm not doing this video for exposure. This is my personal experience. This is not my first exposure device. I had a couple of them in the past, and I still have some. But I'm telling you, try exposure if you never, if you never try. So try the product. They make good and musical product. You won't be disappointed. I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed. Don't be fooled by numbers. When you see 50 watt or 7 watt by channel, don't be fooled by those numbers. Try the product. You'll be blown away. I'm telling you, my experience with this DAC was just amazing. I will not sell this piece of a DAC. Even somebody offer me something, I'm going to keep the DAC because it sounds really good. This is the type of product you want to keep in your living room, or you want to have in your system. After a long hours of work. At night time or on the daily basis, you want to sit, enjoy your music. This is the type of product you want to have on your system, because it doesn't try to impress you. The DAC is quiet. It almost disappear. You don't even notice. The only thing that you notice is that you are in the space with the musician. You are something. There is a connection between the musician and yourself. So this is a type of product. When you listen to your music, you don't even notice that you have a good speakers or good integrated amplifier or good source. What matters is how the music is coming to you, how you interacting with the music, the feeling, the emotion. And I'm telling you guys, I enjoy my time with this DAC. I highly recommend. If you find one, buy one. If you never try exposure product, try the product, try the line. They make very good product. I would try my best to make other videos on exposure product, maybe the 3510 preamplifier and the monoblocks. But definitely, guys, do your research, try exposure. So this is the end of my video. This is my first video on YouTube. I hope you like the video. This one just to show you around on the DAC. So thank you guys for watching. I wish you a great day. Enjoy your music, and the peace be with you. Bye.